Hey, this is Sridhar from wpwdesign.com. In this screencast, I want to show how we can use Advanced Custom Fields Pro to add custom fields to a property custom post type and build templates in Oxygen for the single and archives views um, like this. So what we are looking at is the archive view that shows the list of all the properties, and for each property you can see we are showing the featured image and the date on which it was published, the price, title, and address, square feet, number of, okay, I gotta reload this, hang on. Yeah, so the number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and a link to view the listing. So in these, the image, which is the featured image, and the title, these are provided by WordPress. But these additional fields that you see here, the price, address, square feet, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, these are all custom fields. Okay, so when we click on any of these property, we see the single page for the custom post type. And here we are showing the title, the image, and this is the content of the entry. And here we have in two columns are showing the property information like the price, address, zip, and the other information. And here is a Google map of the address, which is automatically um, coming up. And here we have the property photos, and these will open up in a light box, and you can either press the play button and this will automatically play as a slideshow, or we can also hit the right arrow and left arrow, or you can hit the right and left buttons on your keyboard, and we can also view this full screen. Okay. These are the custom fields that we are currently using, as you can see here. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to show how this entire thing will be built, and I'm going to walk you through the code as to how this can be set up in WordPress using Oxygen. Bye for now.